Hi, I'm Nermin, recipe developer, content creator, and staunch advocate of Egyptian cuisine. So today I'm gonna share with you my favorite snack. This midday snack, it's called Labneh. It's also served as an appetizer in the Middle East. I had some left over of Greek yogurt. Just leave it overnight in the fridge over 2 layers of cheesecloth to discard its water. You're gonna squeeze the water out and you're gonna end up with this consistency. Now, dip my fingers in oil, take a small ball, roll it, put it in the black sesame first, and carefully submerge it in the olive oil. I'm gonna dip my fingers again, take a small ball, roll it, coat it, and carefully submerge it in my olive oil. Again, roll, form a nice ball. Doesn't have to be perfect. Put it in sesame this time. Dip it carefully in the olive oil. Okay, now in the za'atar. Greek yogurt, excellent probiotics. Roll it in the paprika. Here are our Labne balls resting peacefully in the extra virgin olive oil. Wrap it with a plastic film or just put it in a lidded jar. Keep it in your fridge and use it whenever you feel hungry. Bon appetit, enjoy it, and I will be back with another interesting recipe.